Climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in Earth's climate patterns, including alterations in temperature, precipitation, and weather events. It is driven by the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily due to human activities. Causes of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions, the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes release carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Land use changes. Deforestation and urbanization alter land surfaces, leading to changes in heat absorption and localized climate impacts. Agricultural practices. Intensive agriculture, especially livestock production, releases methane and nitrous oxide, potent greenhouse gases. Industrial emissions. Emission of pollutants from industries contributes to the warming of the planet. Mitigation strategies. Transition to renewable energy. Shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources, solar, wind, hydro, to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Implement energy-efficient technologies and practices to lower energy consumption. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees helps sequester carbon and promotes biodiversity. Sustainable agriculture. Adopt practices that reduce methane emissions, improve soil health, and minimize deforestation. Waste reduction. Reduce, reuse, and recycle to minimize methane emissions from landfills. Transportation. Promote public transportation, electric vehicles, and sustainable urban planning. Carbon capture. Develop technologies to capture and store carbon dioxide from industrial processes. Climate policies. Enforce regulations and policies that incentivize emissions reduction. Agreements to mitigate climate change. Paris Agreement, 2015, a global accord signed by 196 countries to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Kyoto Protocol, 1997, an earlier international treaty that aimed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, particularly from developed countries. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, established in 1992, this framework provides the basis for global climate negotiations. Individual contributions. Reducing carbon footprint, use energy-efficient appliances, drive less, and reduce household energy consumption. Support renewable energy, choose clean energy options for homes and businesses. Sustainable consumption, reduce waste, choose eco-friendly products, and adopt a plant-based diet. Advocacy, encourage government action, raise awareness, and support climate-friendly policies. Education, stay informed about climate change, its impacts, and mitigation efforts. Community engagement, participate in local initiatives, plant trees, and promote sustainable practices. Collectively, these efforts can significantly contribute to reducing climate change and its adverse effects, fostering a more sustainable and resilient world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Basics in. Like and share my video with friends and family.